Looking at the placard there, it is 59. Beautiful. And right next door, you've got looks like a Buick Sky. All right, so today we came down here to the La Jolla Cove area to check out the Concours de Elegance, which translated means a bunch of fancy, expensive cars that I can't afford. So, yeah, we're going to go down and check it out and see what we see here. All right, come on along. Okay, and you got to walk down through the La Jolla Village area here, which is pretty nice. There's always like nice stuff down here. We're making our way over to the entry area, so you got to negotiate all these streets. So we'll check this out. Right, as you make your way through the maze of streets, heading on down to the beach area. So this is La Jolla downtown, and now we're heading down to the Cove where this is all supposed to be set up at. So we're going to take a look at that and see what we see. All right, making our way over here to the entranceway. So they've got this all roped off. This is normally just a public area here on the other side. So getting over here to the entry gate. So come on along. All right, so this is outside the pavilion. So you can see all the some flaring. So a retro Ferrari. That's nice. All right, just going to give you a lowdown of what it looking like today. Normally this area is just open for the general public, but today they've got it for the concourse. So we're showing off all the cars. Beautiful day today too, right here in La Jolla. Just awesome. Rolls. Beautiful. It's got to be a 30s era Rolls. It's a 37 Rolls Royce Coupe. Wow, that is awesome. Yeah, you gotta love these old cars. Gorgeous. Gentleman going to show his Lincoln. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, talk about pristine. Wow. That is lovely. Old 30s era Jag. This is lovely. 32. Beautiful. It is a Jaguar. Wow. That is gorgeous. Oh, this is lovely. This is a 1938 Lincoln. Look at this thing. Wow. So you got to love these old classics. I mean, just the innovation that went into making these back in the day. All right.
Have the logo on their clothing, or they have a.
Isn't this guy gorgeous? This looks like it's a ribbon winner here. It's a Buick. It's 54
right,
Buick.
So did we get Steve?
Oh, that is lovely.
Is he? Well, we have Kenneth. Well, where's
Buick
Kenneth?
Skylark. Oh
Yes,
yeah,
Kenneth.
that
There
is
you go.
awesome.
Kenneth, come on up here.
Kenneth comes up best.
There you go.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, best of show Ferrari for his 1973 365 GT.
Look at that guy. All right, so we're heading into the awards.
SP3.
The awards section here.
All
He
right.
may not be good. He might be with Chris.
Yeah. Well,
Let's see what we can see.
We only have a first name, but I guess if you, yeah, it's like Cher or Madonna. He just goes
Okay,
by Roy.
moving on.
Motor Car Classic Open Division. First award is Best American Car, and the winner is Dane and Mignon Silvestri for a 1960 Cadillac DeVille two-door. 1960 was such a great year for Cadillac. They kind of toned down the ostentatiousness of the 59. And Gia even did a few Gia-bodied versions of that model year.
You know, if I wasn't.
All right, you got this lovely, we've got a Lamborghini SUV on the right and a all black Rolls Royce. Look at that. Let's go take a look at the sticker on this thing. This is obviously a new Rolls Royce. Let's see, what's that going for? Where's the final out the door price? Oh, $564,000. Yeah, okay. Just your average ride. That is gorgeous. I love the attention to detail.
We don't want to break the flow that we got going here.
Got it.
Okay,
Got it.
final award for the Motor Car
Look at that.
Classic is the Duck Track
First
Motor
edition.
Car Classic
That is
Best in
lovely.
Show.
All right, we got a Bugatti. This is new. This is all carbon fiber. You can see it here in the inlay in this. All carbon fiber. Chiron. Oh, that is awesome. Look at the size of the calipers on that, on the brakes. Amazing. And again, you can see the carbon fiber throughout this whole thing here. And here we've got a McLaren with a Toomey wrap on it. Again, another all-carbon inlay here. Wow, that is gorgeous. I mean, just look at the massive intakes here for engine cooling in the compartment. McLaren Senna. Wow.
That was Robert Farrow for his 1964 Shelby Cobra 289 FIA. And if they fit all that on the award, that's got to be really
That is
small
awesome.
print.
Kramer's going to be busy.
All fiber.
Okay, Bob.
Extraordinary award designer.
Another McLaren.
Alan Taylor. Their creativity
For
and
sale. What are we looking
craftsmanship
for
give us
here?
trophies that are not just awards, but works of art, symbolizing the excellence we celebrate today.
Somewhere in
Their
the
talent,
order of
dedication to creating
5
these
or
beautiful symbols of achievement have
2024
truly
McLaren. I
elevated
think
the
it's
prestige of our event.
5 or
With
600,000.
that, I'm excited to invite our co-chairman Michael Dorvier. Please give a warm felt
a beauty.
thanks for a round of
Custom
applause
paint.
as we welcome Michael back to the seat.
And we got this awesome selection of artwork here. Really nice. And another angle of the rolls over here. Suicide doors. Classic old Mercedes here. Got a 70 Mercedes 280. Another 280, 1962. Looks like it was a ribbon winner too. Wow, impressive. Got a 69 two-door 280 SL. And having personally owned a 930 Porsche myself, I can tell you, it is not cheap. First off, buying the car and then keeping it in this almost showroom condition. So this guy here, this 280, had won in the second place. All right. But I mean, just look at the level of detail in here for the interior. Just gorgeous. Look at it, all original, right down to the radio and the analog clock. Wow. Lovely. And for all you old car fans, U.S. old car fans, we've got a Bonnie on Bonneville. This looks like it's got the fins, so I'm going to say this is a 50s era Bonneville. And you can see here, look at the old school air conditioning system in these guys. Oh yeah. Back in the day when having an air conditioner in a car was a real luxury. And you can see this looks like still the original leather. It's still got the original patina on here. This looks awesome. Wow, nice job. Body up in the queue for judging. That is lovely. Alfa Romero. What a beauty. What year's the roof? 81? 80?
89.
89. Wow, okay. Very good. Very nice. So he's got the aftermarket roof rims on it, got the roof brakes. No doubt it's got the roof intercooler, and then with the engine compartment, they put a bunch of mods in there from roof. Back here we got a lovely Speedster. Looks like he's already got first already. 50s, early 60s era Porsche Speedster. That's a beauty. And then behind it, you got an older, like Aston Martin. Coming up here, a la James Bond. Isn't that a beautiful Aston Martin? Look at that thing. Here goes the Speedster. And now they're bringing up that Aston Martin. That is awesome. Beautiful Aston Martin. Wow. And what awesome shape. You should say, look at the lines in terms of the aerodynamics here of the wheels. Awesome. That is gorgeous. Oh, that is lovely. Look at that. That is beautiful. And in terms of just the instrument cluster here, in terms of how the layout, it is lovely. Mr. Hain is beautiful. Looks like it won an award too. Hain. Oh, it's a Rolls. Oh, look at this. Oh, the interior. It's a museum quality because it is in a museum. Oh, it is lovely. So you got a first place. Just look at the bonnet on this thing. Wow.
Elon Musk beat him. What the heck happened?
1925 Rolls. That is awesome. And I heard somebody just say that this thing was going for, if you want to, $26 million. Unbelievable.
World War II vintage airplane.
Look at that.
Fantastic.
For you El Camino lovers.
Great facility run by
El Catalina 59. Look at that guy. Oh, that's beautiful.
1990. Third place is Julian White for a 1988 Porsche 928 S4 Coupe.
All right, we got a Challenger.
nice.
Yeah. Challenger Hemi. Look at that guy. Beautiful. And this guy, 53, is it's like a 64 330. Is there another Ferrari? Say 67 370. We got a little bit of Americana here.
356A 1600 Speedster convertible. Jackson Smith. Second place winner is Steven Carr, 1971 Jaguar E-Type.
63 hardtop coupe. Vet. Another Vet. I love the slant noses. At the 930. Great shape. Hmm. '71 Jag XKE E-Type. Okay. Lovely. Good old TR3, 69. '62 Super Coupe, 356. And a Speedster. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, this is the one that got Best in Show for a Speedster. That's awesome. Lovely Maserati.
Side, we're parking right here. Thank you so much. We're going to be backing up right in line. Spot 75. We're parking right here. Parking right here. We're just parking now.
Got this. Saw this earlier. The green Maserati. That beauty. Lovely. The Roadster over here. I guess. Oh, that is cool. This gentleman over here. Looks like he's getting his plate on his car. Alfa Romero's got a Porsche here. It's red Alfa. White Alfa next to it. Oh, one of my favorite cars of all time, the Pantera. That is awesome. Pantera, 69 Pantera. Tommaso Pantera. Oh, love these cars.
I wish we could bring all these cars up here, because I mean a lot of these cars, second and third that we're announcing, are just absolutely fantastic cars.
It's just fantastic. Knew a guy who collected these things back in the day when they were cheap, and he made a small fortune on them. So it's essentially a Italian body, the Tommaso, with a American V8 350 engine. Of course, he's got to keep it in Arizona, right? Keep everything nice in California. A great example of a W30 442 Olds. It's lovely. This beautiful McLaren, all carbon. Well, that's all for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know I had a good time looking at all the cars and, of course, the beautiful scenery here in La Jolla. You can't beat that. So, all that being said, I hope you have a great day, and be sure to like and subscribe. Bye for now.